Benefits of candlestick charts. The visual illustration of candlestick charts gives investors and traders an advantage over traditional Western methods of trading. First of all, candlestick charts provide a quick and visual representation of price action, occurring during several time frames: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, daily. The visual illustration provided by candlestick charts can help investors identify more easily the end of a downtrend and the beginning of an uptrend. A series of green ascending candles can be easily identified as an uptrend. A series of red candles can be easily identified as a downtrend. For example, the appearance of a green candle after a series of red descending candles can catch one's attention more easily compared to looking at a bar chart. This allows candlestick investors and traders to identify the formation of reversal patterns and to position themselves on the correct side of a trend. Secondly, the visual illustration provided by the candlestick chart gives candlestick traders the confidence necessary to get into trades before bigger movements occur, and to get out of trades when it is time to take profits. Thirdly, candlestick analysis helps create visual and effective trading strategies to identify entry points, profit targets, and protective stops. When applied with discipline, candlestick analysis helps remove normal but dangerous emotions arising from the trading experience. Candlestick analysis allows investors and traders to successfully trade the market with confidence and clarity of mind. This translates in the ability to buy at the bottom and selling at the top, increasing the probabilities of greater gains and reducing probabilities of bigger losses. While the methods of candlestick trading can be taught, the experience of trading itself cannot. Deeper studies of candlestick trading methods, combined with patience, journal keeping, and plenty of practice on trading simulators, are essential ingredients to successful trading. Candlestick analysis and trading methods create a safe and strong framework for training the eyes as well as the mind to help establish the foundation of good trading.